rev up your engines. Today I'm going to show you how you can have a party in your car. And ironically enough, I'm going to use a $19 party light kit in a car that originally cost $110,000. Now I actually tried out a whole bunch of these LED light kits and found that this $19 one, heck, it worked just as good, if not better than the other ones. Now the cool thing about these kits are they're so easy to put in. You can either plug them into the cigarette lighter, or if you have a more modern car, you can plug them into a USB port. These systems work on either 5 volts or 12 volts. You don't even have to change anything. It automatically knows on the control box. As you can see here, the input can be either 12 volts or 5 volts. And it comes with 4 strips that have varying colors in them. You can stick them inside the car or under the car, wherever you want them. And it even comes with this cool remote that you can do all kinds of stuff with, including a music button, so it will react to music. And I really like this remote because I tried out other ones. I even tried out one that cost over 50 bucks that was supposed to use your cell phone and an app to make it work. That's this mini rock one. And believe me, don't buy this thing. It's a piece of junk. I put it on my cell phone. It wouldn't even connect. And it would say there's an error. I finally got it to connect. Then I put it on and it said, oh, unit won't respond. And to add insult to injury, when I put the app on, the stupid thing put some malware on my phone, so every time, even before I turned it on, it was running a bunch of ads. So stay away from that company. They're making junk, their app doesn't work, and they put malware on your phone when you download it. Hey, I may be old, but even when I was a kid, they had TV remotes that work like this. These work perfectly fine. It was in the $19 kit. It's got a watch battery. If it goes bad, you buy another watch battery for a couple of bucks. This is a killer thing. This comes with the kit for $19 and it works great. And let's face it, you're using this thing inside your car, so range isn't a big deal. It's not going that far. I tried it out, it works great, day or night, rain or shine. And hey, $19 for the whole setup. You can't really beat that for a little entertainment. Now the lights themselves, hey, they're little LEDs and you can see as I talk, la la la, it even reacts to my voice. So the thing works pretty well. And being LEDs, guess what? They hardly use any power at all, so you're really getting a lot of bang for your buck with this toy. Now the unit itself comes with really nice long wire, so you can mount them wherever you want. You can mount them on the outside of the car, you can mount them on the inside of the car. If you want to buy a few kits, you can put them in the trunk, you can put them under the hood, you can put them wherever you want. And if you want different colors for different moods, hey look, they got them all. They got red, green, blue, and they even have various patterns you can react to. And of course they really look cool at night. Check this out. It even reacts to the noise of the air coming through the AC when it's on full blast. It's pretty cool. And with the little sticky back adhesive that's built into it, you just peel it off and this thing will stick to just about anything. And hey, if you're a real fanatic, you can always put a little mounting bracket over it, stainless steel with screws that'll hold it in place anywhere. Hey, I would have killed for this kind of stuff when I was a kid. Heck, we thought it was cool just to take the light bulbs out of the dash and paint them a little red and then put them back in and have cool red dash lights. And since this is Mechanic Monday, I'm giving away a set of these LED bars. Just place a clean, non-offensive comment on the YouTube comments below and a computer will randomly pick the winner. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.